What if I told you you can start digital marketing for beginners without your own products and without marketing experience? Stick around because in this video, I will review what you need to know to start digital marketing, even if you are a complete beginner. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. And now let's get straight into the video. If you've ever wondered how businesses reach their customers online, or how social media ads pop up just when you need them, you're in the right place. Digital marketing is a broad term that encompasses all marketing efforts that use the internet or an electronic device. This includes everything from social media marketing and email campaigns to search engine optimization and content marketing. In today's fast-paced digital world, understanding digital marketing is crucial for anyone looking to succeed in business. With more consumers turning to the internet for their shopping needs, businesses must adapt their strategies to connect with their audience effectively. Whether you're a small business owner, an aspiring marketer, or just curious about the field, grasping the fundamentals of digital marketing can open up a world of opportunities. In this video, we'll break down the essential components of digital marketing for beginners, making it easy for you to understand. We'll explore various platforms where you can promote your products, such as social media sites like Facebook and Instagram, search engines like Google, and even email marketing. You'll learn how to create engaging content that resonates with your target audience and drives traffic to your website. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid foundation in digital marketing, empowering you to take your first steps in promoting products or services online. So, whether you're looking to boost your business or simply want to learn something new, stick around. We're excited to guide you through the fascinating world of digital marketing for beginners. Digital marketing is the practice of promoting products or services using digital channels to reach consumers. It encompasses a variety of components, each playing a crucial role in a comprehensive marketing strategy. Some of the key elements include search engine optimization, social media marketing, content marketing, email marketing, and pay-per-click advertising. Search engine optimization is all about optimizing your website to rank higher in search engine results, making it easier for potential customers to find you. Social media marketing involves using platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to engage with your audience and promote your brand. Content marketing focuses on creating valuable content that attracts and retains customers, while email marketing allows businesses to communicate directly with their audience through newsletters and promotional offers. Pay-per-click advertising, on the other hand, enables businesses to display ads on search engines and pay only when someone clicks on them. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is essential for businesses of all sizes. Consumers increasingly rely on the internet to research products, read reviews, and make purchasing decisions. Without a digital footprint, businesses risk losing potential customers to competitors who are more visible online. Throughout this video, we'll introduce key terms and concepts that will help you navigate the world of digital marketing. You'll hear about metrics like conversion rates, click-through rates, and engagement, which are vital for measuring the success of your campaigns. Understanding these fundamentals will not only enhance your marketing skills, but also empower you to make informed decisions for your business. So, let's dive deeper into each component and explore how they work together to create a successful digital marketing strategy. If you're just starting in digital marketing, choosing the right products to promote can make a significant difference in your success. Some of the best product categories for beginners include health supplements, tech gadgets, and online courses. These categories not only have a broad appeal, but also offer great opportunities for effective marketing. Health supplements, such as vitamins and protein powders, are always in demand as people become more health conscious. Products like multivitamins or protein shakes can be marketed through social media platforms, where fitness enthusiasts often seek recommendations. For instance, promoting a popular niche like nutrition can attract a dedicated audience looking for quality health products. Tech gadgets are another lucrative category. With technology evolving rapidly, consumers are always on the lookout for the latest innovations. Products like fitness trackers or AirPods are excellent examples. These items not only have a strong brand reputation, but also appeal to a wide range of consumers, from fitness lovers to tech enthusiasts. By showcasing their features and benefits through engaging content, you can effectively capture the interest of potential buyers. Online courses have gained immense popularity, especially with the rise of remote learning. Platforms like Udemy offer a variety of courses on topics ranging from programming to photography. Promoting these courses can be particularly effective because they provide value and knowledge to consumers. You can create content that highlights the benefits of learning new skills, making it easier for your audience to see the value in investing in their education. By focusing on these popular product categories, beginners can tap into established markets with proven demand. This approach not only simplifies the marketing process, but also increases the likelihood of successful conversions. So let's explore how to effectively promote these products in your digital marketing journey. When it comes to digital marketing, choosing the right platform is crucial for reaching your target audience effectively. For beginners, platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Google Ads stand out as some of the most user-friendly and effective options for product promotion. Each platform offers unique advantages that can help you maximize your marketing efforts. Facebook is one of the largest social media platforms, making it an excellent choice for reaching a diverse audience. With its robust advertising tools, you can create targeted ads based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. This means you can tailor your marketing messages to specific groups, increasing the chances of engagement and conversion. Additionally, Facebook allows for various ad formats, including videos, carousels, and stories, giving you the flexibility to showcase your products creatively. Instagram, on the other hand, is a visually driven platform that excels in brand storytelling through images and videos. It's particularly effective for promoting lifestyle products, fashion, and beauty items. With features like Instagram Shopping, businesses can tag products directly in their posts, making it easy for users to shop without leaving the app. The platform's emphasis on aesthetics allows you to create a visually appealing brand presence that resonates with your audience. Google Ads is another powerful platform that enables you to reach potential customers actively searching for products or services. With pay-per-click advertising, you can display ads on Google's search results and partner websites. This means you're targeting users who are already interested in what you offer, leading to higher conversion rates. As you explore these platforms, it's essential to choose the ones that align with your target audience. Understanding where your potential customers spend their time online will help you focus your efforts and resources effectively. So, let's dive deeper into how to leverage these platforms for your digital marketing success. Developing a solid marketing strategy is essential for any beginner looking to promote products effectively. The first step in creating your strategy is to identify your target audience. Understanding who your ideal customers are will help you tailor your messaging and choose the right platforms for promotion. Start by researching demographics such as age, gender, location, and interests. You can use tools like surveys or social media insights to gather valuable information about your audience. Once you have a clear picture of your target audience, the next step is to set specific marketing goals. These goals should be measurable and achievable, such as increasing website traffic by 20% in 3 months, or gaining 100 new followers on social media within a month. Setting clear objectives will give you a roadmap to follow and help you stay focused on your marketing efforts. Content creation plays a vital role in your marketing strategy. Engaging and valuable content not only attracts your audience, but also builds trust and credibility for your brand. Whether it's blog posts, videos, or social media updates, ensure that your content resonates with your audience's interests and needs. Don't forget to encourage engagement by asking questions, responding to comments, and creating interactive content like polls or quizzes. This interaction fosters a sense of community and keeps your audience coming back for more. Finally, it's crucial to track your progress regularly. Use analytics tools to monitor your performance against the goals you set. This will help you understand what's working and what isn't. Be prepared to adjust your strategies as needed based on the data you collect. Flexibility is key in digital marketing, as trends and audience preferences can change rapidly. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating an effective marketing strategy that drives results. Let's take a moment to summarize the key points we've discussed about digital marketing for beginners. Understanding digital marketing is essential in today's business landscape, where a strong online presence can make or break your success. We explored the fundamentals of digital marketing, including various components like search engine optimization, social media, and email marketing, which are crucial for reaching your audience effectively. We also highlighted the best products to promote, such as health supplements, tech gadgets, and online courses. These categories not only have a broad appeal, but also provide excellent opportunities for beginners to market successfully. Choosing the right products is just as important as selecting the right platforms. We discussed how platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Google Ads can help you connect with your target audience, each offering unique advantages for product promotion. Now that you have a solid foundation in digital marketing for beginners, it's time to take action. Apply what you've learned by identifying your target audience, setting clear marketing goals, and creating engaging content. Remember to track your progress and adjust your strategies as needed to ensure you're on the right path to success. Now check out this video for more affiliate marketing tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel and share this video with anyone who may benefit from it. Thank you for watching.